I'm gonna make some festive food here. Sorry for the bouncing. Don't judge my stove, judge your mama. Gonna bring this plate out here. Do not want that to get burned. Throw that down. Turn the stove off. These teams. I don't know how this is gonna taste on tortilla. Oh my god. But we're gonna try it. Oh yeah. It's the bee's knees right here. I know you're looking at my dishes, not what I'm doing. I'm struggling. I don't know. Cream would be better, but I don't have, or mantequilla, but I don't have any mantequilla. Have not been out to get any yet, so I use Miracle Whip. But mantequilla is life. This is honey ham. The only way to do it. Look at them. Yum, yum. I don't know how I'm going to do this, so again, don't judge me, judge your mama. Put it there like that. Put some lettuce on there too. So we'll put the cheese first. You know about the paper towel in with the lettuce? This lettuce is probably not going to last much longer, but anyways, you put a paper towel in there, soaks up the moisture, makes it alive longer. Look at that bad boy. It's actually really fucking good. Wow. Cheers. Sweet tea. Only way to be. Nom nom nom. Tomato probably would have been good on this too. I didn't feel like cutting a tomato though. That lighting is so much better. I hate when I leave cabinet doors open. It's a pet peeve. I figured I'd go ahead and do another one. But since it's raining outside and my window's open, like, we'll give it a mixture of some ASMR as well. Of course, this is on a phone, so you're only going to get so much ASMR. But you get the aesthetic. I know you saw me make it, but if you're curious, it's a flour tortilla, heated, honey ham, lettuce, Miracle Whip only, and cheddar cheese. That might be Velveeta original. That might be American, I'm not sure. It's the big cheese. But I do like my sharp cheddar. Cheers. You're not Southern if you don't drink out of a mason jar. Sorry, the lighting's not that great. I do have my Vivitar Bluetooth light on, but I have it set to blue. We have the overhead, but I just rearranged my room and changed some things around, so I need to add lighting to other places. Sorry, I was looking at Leche. I was looking to see if he's actually using the tree dome yet. I think he finally is. You want to bite? Take a bite. Yum, yum, yum. We also have some pickled cauliflower in the fridge. I ate a few of those. I didn't do it on camera. I will do it on camera for you guys. So crunchy. So delicious. Literally delicious. To be honest, I was just eating a pickle. I knew it's gonna be a good bite. Ready? Cheers. Yeah, I fuck with that. I fuck with that heavy. That was really good. I know, I think last night, Mom made herself a BLT, and I was making one too, and instead of putting it on bread, I was like, well, about these tortillas, let me use the tortillas. That's one cool thing about the whole situation with Dad. It opened a whole new world to me, you know, the Hispanic culture. It was some amazing food. Amazing food. So some of them foods I still eat, so that's cool. So anyway, I had basically a bacon, tomato, and lettuce wrap instead of the BLT on bread. That was really good too. I mean, that was gone in seconds. People think it's really crazy how I eat. And it is wild. I mean, I don't hold back. If I'm here to eat, I'm going to eat. But I think the mukbang, you know, me turning everything into a mukbang, I think that's exaggerated. I don't want to say exaggerated. I don't like that word. But maybe it has exaggerated my eating a little bit. But it's like natural. So like when I eat crazy or take big bites or scarf down my food or slurp or get the mouth sounds, it's a natural reaction. Like I don't think, oh, I could do this so it looks good for a video. No, it's just how I eat. People literally watch me just eat. I just, what are you supposed to do with the food besides eat it? That was just a nice little treat for you guys. because I was hungry, and I'm like, bitch, I'm gonna record it. Love you guys. See you on the next one. Bye.